Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrew, this is Grow Tropical MK. I'm just at Tenby at the moment in Wales on a holiday, and I thought I'd show you something a little bit further down the path here. And there it is. Look at that. That is actually a flower and not a tree. So this comes from the agave that you can see down below in what looks like some kind of hotel garden. They put a number of straps to actually hold this flower in place so it doesn't fall on someone's head on the beach below. The agave, it's known as the century plant, and it's because it takes absolutely ages to produce this flower. Not quite a century, more likely 20-30 years perhaps. The thing about agaves, the really sad thing about agaves, that once this flower has finished, the mother plant will actually die off. But fortunately, it will leave a number of pups at the base to continue its lineage. Just look at that. Absolutely crazy. Feel real lucky to be here today seeing this, and I thought I'd share it with all you guys as well. Hope you're having a good day, and if you enjoyed this, please do like and subscribe. There's lots more on the Grow Tropical MK channel, like propagation, garden centre tours, and a tour of my own beautiful garden also. Have a great day everyone.